Hello and welcome to our mini webinar series. My name is Sylvan Meyer and today I have the pleasure to show you our new video content and in particular our MELAG tutorials. To have a look at our new content, you simply have to go on our YouTube channel. On our channel we have over 170 new videos. To make this webinar a little bit more accessible, we have prepared a question of a practical clinic. This question is very common and might have also occurred to you in the field. So how do I load the MELAG 10 appropriately? Of course, we could solve this question by simply going to the clinic and show them how to load the washer disinfector correctly. But we have also devised a new digital solution. Our tutorials allow you to show how to load the MELAG online wherever you are and show it to the clinic directly. So on our website we have different video content. We have 3 different main categories. We have the MELAG product videos in blue. In purple we have the MELAG webinars, and in green the new MELAG tutorials. To answer our question, we simply select the MELAG tutorial that deals with loading the MELAG in a dental clinic. So please have a look at the video and convince yourself.
With over 80 specially developed baskets, the practice-optimized treatment chamber of the MELAG 10 can be matched to the individual needs of a dental clinic. Using the insert rack permits standing decontamination of the MELAG store trays. The MELAG store system with individually placeable silicone bars contributes to the protection of the instruments, the team, and thus to the improvement of the decontamination quality. The fine grate in the instrument basket permits the acceptance of mirrors, probes, and tweezers. The coarse grate provides space for opened hinged instruments such as scissors and forceps. Drill bits and other small instruments can be decontaminated in a small parts basket. You can place the small parts basket either standing up in the instrument basket or lying down in the flex basket. Besides the acceptance of additional instruments, the flex system allows the stacking of the accessories on 2 levels. For example, you can stack baskets for hinged instruments and impression trays on flex basket 2.
Welcome back. I hope you have enjoyed this video and it has been useful for you. Please remember that we are constantly uploading new videos and tutorials that will facilitate your daily work in the clinic. So on the YouTube channel we have this view. This is, for example, a thumbnail of this webinar, and this will be shown to you if you want to, for example, rewatch this webinar. And then also you have the option to subscribe. Subscribing to our channel helps you to never miss any of our new videos and keep you constantly updated. So we highly recommend you to subscribe to our channel. So I hope you have enjoyed this short webinar on our new video content and on our new tutorials. It has been a big pleasure to guide you through this webinar, and I hope to see you soon in one of our new videos. The next video of this series will be on the troubleshooting tool, a tool that helps you to identify malfunctions and also find a customized solution. Thank you very much for your attention and see you soon.